That between the dash and the steering wheel and the lens extended out a little bit, we're held up just right. But I think if I breathed on the camera wrong, it would probably fall off. So a little bit of a Peter McKinnon rip here, but on a much smaller scale. I'm headed up to Miller Road Park to get the shot, which the shot is the pier being frozen over by the waves, and then there's one of the lights, one of the marker lights way out in the end of the pier that gets covered in ice in a very unique pattern with the wind and everything. So I'm going to see what I can see today and probably get the drone up too. So be able to take a look at the power plant that just got demoed. So that should be interesting. Let's go check it out. All right, so we're here, and it's always fun trying to get the drone up without drawing an audience. There's a handful of people here, so I'm sure somebody will bug me about it for whatever reason. So we'll see what I can get. Yeah, so I thought the shot was going to be the ice down here, and it's not quite as impressive as I thought it would be. Still cool nonetheless, but the shot ended up being really out over there, where our power plant was demolished by implosion about 2 weeks ago, and I was able to drop the drone down in there and get some really neat shots. So let's head on down here and see what we can get. This is like the first time I'm using active track to actually do something legitimate. So. Absolutely insane shot that I did not plan on getting here. But everyone takes the same shot. Everyone takes this same shot here. So I had the drone up, so why not do this guy here? So as we look at this is what we got here. Crank that ND down a little bit. So again, super cool ice stuff here. This is always really neat. And you can see the direction, obviously it's blowing off the lake, but the backside here, so dope. But then there's my guy here. What's up, bro? Just chilling out there over the water. Anytime I'm flying over the water, it's always terrifying with the seagulls, the wind, and just in general. But those shots are absolutely worth it. Cannot wait to edit those. We got shots from the power plant. We got a different angle that most people aren't going to see. So can't wait to share those on social media, and hopefully people will enjoy them as well. I know those shots from the power plant, there's a lot of folks in town that used to work there, so maybe there's something there that they can point out. So it'll be really cool to get everything put together, and we'll see how it turns out. But I need to get, I have gloves on, but they're not cutting it anymore. So it's time to get back to the car. All right, so I think my mic got too cold and it must have cut out because I had like 4 or 5 clips from this that were all pieced together. So I actually had to go back in and match my lips up and match the audio up. So nonetheless, here's a clip of me ending and discussing everything from the shoot, and yeah, it's probably more of the same. So nonetheless, just keeping it in here for the sake of keeping it in here.